This one's good. It's very mango-y. Yeah, it basically tastes like dried mangoes. So far, chocolate coconut is my favorite. It's amazing. Okay. Apple cinnamon. I really like that they're bite-sized too. Like you can decide how many you want. Okay. And that's apple cinnamon. Yeah. I would say on the fruit ones, the fruit flavor is stronger than they are than in their regular protein bars. Because I believe there's not as much protein in them, but they're a good little snack. They definitely taste good. Okay, I probably should not be eating this at night. Dark chocolate espresso, but take a teeny bite. Ooh, it's a different shape. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, that's really good. And I really shouldn't be eating it. I mean, that just tastes like dessert. But actually, you know, sometime when I'm like tired, that'd be a good snack. Oh, chocolate mint. I love mint and chocolate. Oh, also this shape. I feel like this is like, hello, we are dessert shape. Like a little truffle. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's straight up like mint chocolate fudge. I'm in love. I genuinely cannot describe how good this is. Okay, overall, love all of it.